Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today we will study about the Swiss prot, which is a part of our practical bioinformatics. Swiss prot is an annotation protein sequence database which was created at the Department of Medical Biochemistry of the University of Geneva has been collaboration effort to the department and the European Molecular Biology Laboratory, which is called as a EMBL since 1987. SwissProt is a now a equal partnership between the EMBL and the Swiss Institute of the Bioinformatics (SIB). The EMBL activities are carried out by the outstation, the European Bioinformatics Institute. The SwissProt databases itself from the other protein sequence databases by three distinct criteria: annotation, minimal redundancy, and the integration with other databases. Annotation is the Swiss prod. Two classes of the data can be distinct: the core data and the annotation. For each sequence entry, the core data consists of the sequence data, the citation information, and the taxonomic data, which is describe the biological source of the protein, while the annotation consists of the description of the following items, which is function of the protein, post-transcriptional modification, for example, carbohydrate, phosphorylation, acylation, GPI anchor, domain and the sites, for example, calcium binding regions, ATP binding sites, zinc fingers, homeoboxes, SH2, SH3 domains, secondary structure, for example, for alpha helix and the beta sheets, quaternary structure, for example, homodimer and heterodimers, similarities of the two particular proteins, disease associated with the deficiency in the protein, sequence conflicts, varieties, variants. To obtain this information, we use in the addition of the publication reporting new sequences data from the review articles to the periodically update to the annotation of the families or group of proteins. We also make use of the external experts who have been recruited to the send us their comments and the update concerning the specific group of the proteins. The systematic resources, both of the publication and author of the reporting, the core data and the subject referees represent a unique and beneficial feature of the Swiss prot. In the SysProt, annotation is the mainly found in the comments line in the features table, which is called as the FT. Minimal redundancy is the many sequence databases contain for the giving protein sequence separate entries which correspond to the different literature report, which is SysProt. We try to much possible to merge all these data and minimize the redundancy of the databases. If conflicts exist between various sequence reports, they are indicate of the features table with the corresponding Swiss prot. Integration with the databases, which is important, provide the user of biomolecular databases with degree of integration between the three types of sequence related databases, which is nucleic acid, protein sequences, and the protein tertiary structure, as well as with the specialized data collection. Cross-reference are the provide to the form of the pointer to information related to Swiss prot entries and the found in the data collection other than the Swiss prot. For example, the sample sequence mentioned above contain, among other databases, references line the points to EMBL, PTB, and PFAM processed. Is this particular example of the through possible retrieve the nucleic acid sequences and the code the protein, the description of the genetic disease associated with the particular protein, and the 3D structure of the information specific to protein family to which belongs to procide and the PFAM. So this is all about the Swiss prot. Thank you.